Distinguished partners, industry colleagues, and media friends, good afternoon. Today, we've gathered here to focus on a golden opportunity in a two-tiered market of extremes, the global off-grid photovoltaic market. According to the latest industry data, this market is currently growing at an astonishing rate of 22%. From remote villages in Africa and industrial parks in Southeast Asia to scientific research stations in the Arctic, the demand for off-grid energy is skyrocketing. However, in stark contrast, after surveying 1,000 off-grid users worldwide, we found that 83% of them endure the pain of device breakdowns every day. For users in coastal areas, the equipment gets corroded by the salt carried in the sea breeze within half a year. With the outer shell rusted through and internal components damaged, and the corrosion rate exceeds 30%. Both household and industrial and commercial users are firmly stuck by the 96.5% power generation efficiency bottleneck, meaning that for every 100 kilowatt-hours of power generated, 3.5 kilowatt-hours is wasted. Over a year, the lost power is equivalent to the electricity consumption of an average household for 3 months. What's more, the compatibility conflict rate between lead-acid batteries and lithium-ion batteries is as high as 42%. Many industrial and commercial users are forced to purchase 2 sets of different inverters to meet the power supply needs of different production processes, doubling their costs. During the survey, a Brazilian factory owner said helplessly, "We change inverters more often than we change our mobile phones." The cost of equipment maintenance and replacements alone accounts for 15% of our production costs each year. These pain points are even more prominent in extreme environments. The traditional inverters at Arctic research stations shut down directly at a low temperature of -40 degrees, causing the scientific research equipment to lose power. The equipment at seaside resorts may short circuit or even be completely damaged during typhoons and heavy rains. The inverters in chemical plants need to be disassembled and cleaned within half a year due to dust accumulation, which not only affects power supply but also poses safety risks. It is precisely these pain points that have driven us to spend 1 year and over 20 million yuan in research and development to create a product that can completely solve these problems. Today, I'm proud to introduce to you the Ktech Energy IP66 European Standard Single-Phase and American Standard Split-Phase Off-Grid Inverter Expedition Series.
Every functional advantage of this new Expedition Series product is precisely targeted at the core needs of users, bringing visible external value. Next, I'll start with what everyone is most concerned about, the durability of the equipment. That is its top-level protection ability. It has reached the IP66 protection level, which is truly an outstanding one in the current off-grid inverter market. Some may ask, what does IP66 mean? First, it provides top-tier dust prevention, fully blocking all solid foreign objects, including the finest dust from entering the inverter. As you can see on the big screen, this is a test we conducted in a dust environment of a chemical plant. The equipment ran continuously for 30 days. After disassembly, its internal component had no dust. and performance parameters matched the initial state. Unlike market IP20 products, which may have heat issues from dust buildup after 2 months, cutting power efficiency over 10%. Secondly, it offers strong water jet protection and is more water resistant than common IP65. This means it can be used outdoors directly, handling harsh environments like coasts, plateaus, deserts, and chemical plants. No extra rain or dust sheds needed, saving users much installation costs. Having addressed the issue of durability, next let's talk about safety, which is of utmost concern to everyone. This product has over 10 safety protections. Notably, RSD rapid shutdown and AFCI arc detection form combined protection, the last line of defense for equipment safety. Traditional inverter circuits cause hidden arcs, which conventional protection struggles to protect. However, our combined protection captures arc risks via AFCI, then RSD cuts power in 0.3 seconds. Comparative tests show unprotected equipment ignites installation in 3 seconds, while ours stops risks in 0.3 seconds to keep equipment and circuits intact. That's why manufacturing customers in America and Brazilian said post-test, we must choose RSD and AFCI equipped equipment. Safety is non-negotiable. Even with top protection, you may still worry about post-use breakdowns and after-sales service. Don't worry, we offer an industry-leading 10-year warranty, rare in the off-grid inverter sector. For context, the industry average warranty is just 2 years, with high-end products maxing out at 5. That means for ordinary equipment, after 2 years of use, users must pay for repairs or replacements if issues arise. And the cost of a single repair often accounts for 30 to 50% of the original price of the equipment. However, our 10-year warranty is different. During the 10-year usage cycle, as long as the equipment experiences non-human induced damage, whether it's component failures, wiring issues, or protective layer aging, will provide free repairs for you. If it can't be repaired, we'll replace it with a new unit. During repairs, we also provide temporary backup equipment to ensure uninterrupted power. Why are we confident in this long warranty? It's because of dual guarantees in materials and craftsmanship. First, it uses an all-aluminum shear, twice as corrosion and aging resistance as ordinary plastic shears. Second, our enclosure uses custom powder coating, leveraging pure solid components and robust thermosetting structure. Resin and curing agents make bonded 3D layer. With pleasant diamond-like shimmer, it offers 3 times better UV short spray resistance, strong impact resistance flexibility, and adhesion. No flaking under extreme condition, rust-free, intact 10 years in harsh coastal areas. What does a 10-year warranty mean for users? It means no 10-year equipment failure worries or extra repair costs. It spreads usage costs over 10 years. With annual cost over 40% lower than ordinary equipment, truly worry-free and cost-saving. Besides the 3 core advantages emphasized, this product also has many practical functions, such as flexible power supply and load carrying capabilities. It's equipped with 2 AC ports, allowing it to connect to busy utility power grid and diesel generators simultaneously. For factories in Brazil, they use PV power by day, switch to utility power at night, and diesel generator supplements during outages for 24-hour uninterrupted supply. What's even more unconventional is that it supports the mixed load function, typically a high-end hybrid-only compatibility. It powers ACs, motors, lighting simultaneously without extra equipment, meeting villa and industrial needs. Additionally, the product features advanced AC coupling, seamlessly integrating with users' existing PV systems, lead-acid, lithium batteries, and mainstream brand devices. This breakthrough eliminates traditional high replacements. Users upgrade without replacing hardware, cut over 40% transformation costs, zero threshold, and full scenario. Users no longer need to purchase separate equipment just to match the batteries. In terms of the operation and monitoring experience, this new product has also undergone significant upgrades. It's equipped with a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which is truly a top-notch feature among products in the same power range. It adopts the RGB full-color mode with a resolution of 800 x 480. With its 4.3-inch size, the pixel density is extremely high, and details on the screen are sharp and clear. Data such as power generation, battery level, and operation mode are clearly visible even from a distance. Paired with an IPS panel, 178-degree wide view provides minimal color and brightness loss, letting multiple team members view data together. It also supports capacitive touch, enabling smooth sliding, clicking, and zooming operations. Unlike traditional button devices needing repeated presses, non-electronic stuff operates in 5 minutes. Finally, a note on basic safety. It has DC reverse polarity protection, no damage from reverse during pulse. It also has AC overload and thermal protection, alt-cut output to prevent overload or overtemp burnout. There are also overvoltage protection and short circuit protection for alternating current output. Prevents grid fluctuation or line fault risks. Additionally, it's equipped with a detect current input switch, direct current terminal impedance, monitoring leakage current monitoring, and surge protection, providing all-round safety protection from the circuit to the equipment operation. Of course, this product's value goes beyond surface functions. It also offers reassuring, convenient, cost-saving hidden value backed by our technology. Solid commitments and real user feedback in efficiency and cost. Though we focused on the 7 kilowatt model today, inherits Expedition 6 Gen and PPT core. This boosts power generation efficiency in 99.9%, far above the 96.5% industry average. You may wonder, is a 3.4% efficiency gain really that important? Let me do some calculations for you. Taking the 7 kilowatt model as an example, assuming 6 hours of effective power generation per day, under the industry average efficiency, the daily power generation is 7 kilowatts times 6 hours times 96.5% equals 40.53 kilowatts hour, while our product can generate 7 kilowatt times 6 hours times 99.9% equals 41.96 kilowatts hour per day, generating 1.43 kilowatt hour more per day, which amounts to 522 kilowatt hour per year. Calculated at previous industrial or commercial rate of 1.2 per IH kilowatt hour, it saves 626.4 IH yearly. For Poland, 365.4 zlotys yearly. Moreover, higher efficiency means fewer battery charge-discharge cycles, extending its service life by 2 to 3 years, resulting in additional cost savings. Now, let's look at users' feedback. Before launch, we did a 6-month test in 3 global scenarios and got much genuine positive feedback.
Now, we finally reached the part that everyone is most concerned about, the price and the preferential offers for the first batch purchases. Throughout the R&D and production process, we've always adhered to the concept of making high-quality off-grid energy equipment accessible to more users. After multiple rounds of supply chain integration, cost reductions through large-scale production, and the cost advantages brought by self-developed core technologies. Today, I'm thrilled to announce a blockbuster price. The official price of our new Ktech Energy IP66 off-grid inverter 7 kW model is only 6,666 yuan per unit. How competitive is this price? Let me do a comparison for you. Currently in the market, even ordinary 7 kW off-grid inverters with only an IP20 protection level and a 3-year warranty are generally priced over 5,000 yuan. And competing products with the same power, an IP66 high protection level and a 10-year long warranty are priced well over 12,000 yuan. We are offering top-notch protection, a longer after-sale guarantee, and higher power generation efficiency at a price much lower than the industry average. Our goal is to break the industry convention that high-quality off-grid equipment must come with a high price, and enable more households and industrial and commercial users to easily access stable and reliable off-grid energy. To express our gratitude to all of you for being here today, and to let more users experience the advantages of the Expedition series. We've prepared 3 exclusive benefits for our first batch purchasing customers. These benefits are only valid within 7 days after today's launch event. Once this window passes, you will have to purchase at the official price. First, a tiered discount. If you purchase 20 units or more in the first batch, you will enjoy a 10% discount, with each unit costing only 5,999 yuan, saving you 667 yuan per unit compared to the official price. Second, a practical gift package. All first batch purchasing customers will receive Expedition series exclusive gift package worth 500 yuan with each unit. Our technical engineers will provide one-on-one online guidance. Even users with no installation experience can easily complete the equipment commissioning following the tutorial. Third, VIP priority service. First batch purchasing customers will automatically be upgraded to Ktech Energy's VIP customers and enjoy exclusive maintenance support. If there's an issue with the equipment, just call the VIP service hotline, and we'll have an engineer respond within 24 hours. Moreover, if you want to upgrade it to a higher power model in the future, the unopened inventory units can enjoy a 10% replacement subsidy of the original value, making the business development of customers more worry-free. The global reservation channel is now open right here at the launch event. You can scan the QR code on the screen, submit your order through our official website, offline dealers, or your dedicated account manager. From today until 24 o'clock 7 days later is a preferential period for the first batch purchases. Friends who want to lock in these benefits, don't miss out. Finally, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for being here. Over the past 2 years since its establishment, Ktech Energy has always been committed to a vision to make off-grid energy flow freely and enable people everywhere to access stable, efficient, and affordable electricity. We are well aware that this vision cannot be achieved without the support of each and every one of you here. Whether it's our dealer partners bringing our great products to more users, our industry colleagues advancing technology with us, or our media friends spreading the value of off-grid energy to a wider audience. This IP66 off-grid inverter Expedition series is an important step towards this vision, but by no means the last one. In the next 3 years, we plan to invest 100 million yuan in R&D, launch high-power models of over 20 kilowatts, and develop a more intelligent energy management system, making off-grid energy not only usable, but also easy to use and cost-effective. Our business philosophy is resources integrated and value appreciated. We look forward to joining hands with each and every one of you to bring free energy to every corner of the world. Let Ktech Energy be there to safeguard every place in need of electricity. Thank you all.